Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the features of Asia Games 100 Series Double Inward Casement Window and how to choose the right soundproof windows. First and foremost, Asia Games 100 Series Double Inward Casement Window, a premium window solution that combines innovative design, advanced technology, and superior performance to elevate your living space. Its standard configuration includes a 527, A5 insulated glass configuration that provides exceptional sound insulation performance and a wide range of glass options to meet your specific wall performance needs. Designed to optimize energy efficiency, this window features 2939 mm ribbed insulation strip to ensure secure insulation while maintaining a comfortable interior environment. Next, we take a look at its unique design. Asia Games 100 Series Double Inward Casement Window has both the exterior glass sash and interior screen sash flushed with the window frame, which is both aesthetically pleasing and anti-collision and safe. It can be an ideal choice for a wider range of homes and commercial spaces. At the same time, Asia Games 100 Series Double Inward Casement Window is designed with both reinforcing profiles and cased steel tubes on the outside of the room. This design not only meets the requirements of large windows and open views, but also ensures the strength and durability of the product while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. To further enhance its durability and safety, the window is equipped with metal anti-collision corner protector. These exterior metal corner protectors ensure that sharp corners are blunted, providing double protection and peace of mind. In addition, we also offer a wide range of color choices such as Scottish Star Gray and Bordeaux Red, and a variety of profiles such as modern, European, and so on for you to match. All in all, Asia Games 100 Series Double Inward Casement Window is ideal for modern homes due to their unique design and superior soundproofing properties. When choosing soundproof windows, be sure to focus on the material, glass thickness, and installation quality to ensure you can enjoy a peaceful and comfortable living environment. Thank you for watching. Asia Games 100 Series Double Inward Casement Window is quality window that combines style, functionality, and security. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you next time.